Hello, welcome to Essence Educational GMAT Plus Mathematics. Again, we're going to use three and only three strategies to solve all GMAT Math questions. Today, we will see question number 8. It is a 700 level question. If a two-digit positive integer has its digit reversed, the resulting integer differs from the original by 27. By how much do the two digits differ? Okay, so what do? When you see this question filled with English words, always we start with our first strategy, translation, right? We hate English words. We want to translate it into the mathematical language. The very basic and also probably the number one mathematical language you learn is use letters to represent the unknowns, right? That is the basics for algebra. So here, what is the two-digit positive integer? Do you know it? You don't know. Do you know what are the two digits? Because he tells you the two digits reversed. You don't know. So let me call this number AB, okay? Which means it is 10A, where 10A is the 10th digit, plus B. That is the first number, right? So when you reverse the two digits, of course, you have to say AB are from 1, A is from 1 to 9, right? B is from 1 to 9, also 0. That is definition of a digit, right? When you reverse the digits, that becomes BA, right? That number is 10B plus A. And he tells you the difference from the original is 27. That means the first one, you subtract the second one, is equal to 27. Okay? That is the translation of this sentence. Then the question is asking how much do the two digits differ. Okay, is asking A minus B or B minus A, right? What is the difference between these two digits, right? Here we are. He didn't tell you whether it's the difference. So both are possible. So let's take a look. So once you translate this question, you see, into the mathematical language, now you simplify this equation. It becomes an equation. Agree? You simplify this equation, becomes 10A minus B plus B minus A is equal to 27. Okay? That is what we want. Agree? A minus B. So let's call it T. So 10T minus T. Agree? B minus A is negative T. Agree? Is equal to 27. So therefore 9T is equal to 27. So T, which is our purpose, is equal to 3. So therefore for this question we choose what? We choose A. You see? Is that easy? All I did is I translated the question into the mathematical language. It becomes an equation afterwards. Okay, remember, use the letter to represent the unknown. That's the basic in translation. And furthermore, I translated the purpose. That's what we want, right? So that's exactly what we want. Then after simplification, this question becomes super easy. The right answer for this 700 level question is therefore A. You need even less than 1 minute to solve this question. Thank you.